We came to Taksim. We have some things to do here. After that, we are planning to walk and enjoy the city. Century mosque. We are going to the Cihangir Mosque for the noon prayer. I have never walked from these streets before. It is close to Beyoğlu, Galata and Karaköy. Just wandering around the streets. You know, we are famous for looking after the cats. We love cats so much. This is one example of the cat house. He feeds them and takes to the veterinarian. He has more than 100 cats, it says. And there is a donation box too. Kapıyı aç diyor.
Buradan gir, buradan.
He, varmış biliyordum. Ha, girdi. Here is the beautiful Cihangir Mosque. I wish I could read this, but I cannot. It's in Ottoman language, so it's Turkish but written in Arabic. When we last time came, it was closed. Now we gonna catch it in the noon time, so hopefully we'll see inside together. Breezy center of Bosphorus. The Cihangir Mosque was commissioned by Süleyman the Magnificent for the two of his sons that died in young age, and it is built by Mimar Sinan. It has a beautiful Bosphorus view, very close to Galata Port, along the streets of Cihangir, so make sure to come and visit. Behind me you can also sit down and relax. There is also a restaurant, my friends, runs by the municipality, and I have filmed a menu and tried. It was okay, but the view is beautiful and they have other things you can try. Check the description box below for more information. And the other video I filmed around here in Galata Port. Right now we are waiting for the noon prayer. We are trying to go down to the sea level, but it is not easy. There are everywhere kids. And this is like a street, it says, but it looks like this. I'm gonna write down this place so you don't choose this street to go down. At the sea level across the street we entered to Galata Port from the other side, from the end part, compared to the one I came before. Last time I was with my mom, it was a very hot day, right? No, it was cold. Aleykümselam. Okay, we are in the Galata Port area. Yes. Despite being January, it's beautiful. It's calmer weather. Apparently the Karaköy Güllüoğlu first place that I filmed, the building is demolished, so they moved it here. This is the new place, very close to the other one. We were gonna buy a walnut baklava to take with us, but it was finished. We had to wait, so we couldn't this time. Oh. So this is where the Karaköy Güllüoğlu was. We are in Arap Cami, Arap Mosque. This Karadeniz Bankalar Caddesi Pide place is very close to Arap Mosque, and I wanted to give it a try. Let's see. Karışık mı?
Bu kuşbaşı kaşarlı efendim.
Kuşbaşı kaşar. Kenarsız mı? İyi
Doğru,
tamam.
ilk verdiğiniz sipariş güzel bir sipariş.
İyi tamam öyle olsun. Teşekkür.
Siz yorumcu musunuz? Ne yapıyorsunuz?
Ben YouTube kanalım var.
Çok
İngilizce.
Hoş geldiniz.
Teşekkürler. Siz nerelisiniz usta?
Ben Kastamonu.
Ben de diyecektim yani acık genelde Kastamonu çıkıyor ama.
O da Kastamonu.
Devrekani.
Daday.
Daday da meşhur.
İki ustamız da Daday.
Maşallah. Sevindim.
Kanalımızda artık bizden bahsedersiniz.
Evet artık inşallah.
sevindim.
Evet. So they are from the same Kastamonu region, so I'm proud. Bu var herhalde değil mi? Genellikle Kastamonu çıkıyor mu pideciler? Yufkacılar, pastane, fırıncı, evet.
Nereye gidiyor musun?
Evet, annemlerin yeri var. Gideriz.
Biz de gidiyoruz.
Evet.
Devrekenler bandırmayı çok yapar.
Evet, yaptım ben de hatta. İngilizce yaptım kanala. Evet, yaptım. He's saying the banduma, I have the recipe. It's a specialty from Kastamonu.
Biz de orduluyuz canım, Allah Allah.
Ordu'nun da pidesi. Ordu da meşhur.
Sezen işte çok meşhurdur.
Evet, o konu belli yani. Güzel görünüyor. They advised me to get this style because it doesn't have much dough on the side like this one. Okay, it's time to taste. It is well baked, it looks thin, juicy at the same time. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Getiriyorum abi bir saniye.
Nice. Get one. This is really good. I just need some spice, so I'm gonna add black pepper. They are checking my channel. He said that you are very famous, abla. So I just found this place randomly while walking. I really liked it. The only thing, the mixture could have a bit less tomato. It makes it a bit too much. Other than that, the one I tried was really nice. The thickness of the dough, making it without the sides, it was nice. And the environment, the people, and from Kastamonu. And I paid 110 for the pide and ayran. There is nothing reasonable anymore in Istanbul. But you give your rate for the price in your currency. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna end my vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the tour with me. And the food, I have many other videos you can check from the links like this if you are enjoying with me the Istanbul. And see you next time.